Hello and welcome back to FAFO Friday. And this week, it's hot as hell, it's raining, but we're still going to do a video for you. We're going to do some testing with a bowling ball. Don't forget to head to ballisticmachinist.com and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you stay up to date on all the newest releases. And don't forget, always shoot cool shit. Alright, so this week we're going to go ahead and shoot this bowling ball. We're going to start out with a couple of calibers that I'm considering doing interceptors in, just to kind of see what kind of damage that they do. So we're going to start out with a Smith & Wesson chambered in FN57. Let's see what it does. Alright, let's go check it out. Well, we're down here at the ball, and the Full Metal Jacket 5.7 put just a little hole in this. So let's get a 30 super carry out of a rifle and see what it does. Alright, well the 5.7 didn't do as much as we thought it would. So now we're going to try 115 grain Full Metal Jacket out of a 30 super carry. Let's try it out. Alright, let's go look at it. Well, here we are. We hit right there. I know this one actually broke a chunk out of the shell of it, getting down to the inside, but it still didn't do as much as I would thought. Those 30 super carries are going pretty fast, and this was out of a rifle, so let's step it up to something bigger. All right, well, I was kind of disappointed with what those two did to it, so I'm going to try a 9mm Interceptor out of my 365X macro that I just picked up, and let's see what it does. All right, let's go check it out. Well, right here's our entrance wound from the 9mm Interceptor. Can't really see anything in there, but it did take a nice chunk out. Let's step it up to a 10mm this time. All right, well, we've hit it with a 5.7, a 30 super carry, and a 9mm Interceptor. Now we got 180 grain 10mm, so let's see what that'll do to it. Let's go check that one out. All right, well here we are at this one. We got another entrance there. It blew off a bigger chunk, but it's definitely starting to move a whole lot more. Let's see what else we can step this up to. All right, well, we've gone through the handguns that we brought out, so now let's try a M855A1. And I know it's not an armor-piercing round, that they're a penetrating round, but we're going to give that a try. Let's see what it can do. All right, let's go check it out. All right, well, we thought we went a little bit too low, and we technically did, but right here's where it went in, and when we turned it up, we actually captured the bullet right there inside that. Let me blow it out real quick. Focus. We captured the bullet, and it will not focus enough to look at it or to see it, but it looks like it started turning slightly. I think we should hit, let's try one more in the center. All right, shot number 2 with the M855A1. Let's do it. All right, let's go check it out. All right, well, we got some shenanigans here because we went in right here, and the other one got stuck in the finger hole, but this one came all the way through. You can see the little exit hole right there, and blew this piece off the back that we found sitting right here on the table. So I'm not sure why one went through and one got stuck. But let's go get something bigger. Well, it's FAFO Friday, so we broke out a FAFO slug. Let's see what it can do to the bowling ball. Let's go check that out. Well, we started right here. I found this by my feet, and there's no real damage around the outside, so it looks like it was flying straight. But it turned into Trick Shot Friday because I bounced it off that and made it in this bucket that has been sitting here for a long time. And that water is absolutely nasty. And I don't know if I'm going to dig that out of there or not. I actually got an idea. Let's try something else. All right, well, I didn't feel like emptying that bucket because that water is dark and nasty. So we're going to break out the 300 Win Mag and empty it for us. Let's go check that out. All right, well, here we are down at the aftermath, and we found the core of one of the M855A1s, the copper core that's behind the steel core. Because if you don't know how those are made, there's a steel core, and then there's a copper core, and they have a jacket that goes over top of them. But anyways, we broke the second cinder block here that was holding up the bucket. We got pieces of bucket. We got bowling ball just everywhere. We got a piece right there. There's several pieces over there. And that bucket, let me see if I can step in here and grab this bucket. All right, well, there's our bucket, and it just completely destroyed that. Looks like we got an entrance right there. No exit, just the bowling ball causing complete chaos. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this week's FAFO Friday, and thank you very much for watching.